Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning three super important basics in data analysis: mean, median, mode using Excel. Don't worry if these words sound complicated. By end of this video they will make complete sense. Let's imagine you own a small coffee shop and you want to track how many coffees you sold each day this week. So here's our data. Monday you sold 22, Tuesday you sold 25, and 27, 27, 30, 31, 35. 80 is, ignore this part just for now. We'll talk about this later. Now let's understand what this number tell us. First we have mean. Mean is also called average, and mean is calculated by adding all the numbers together and dividing by the total number of values. In Excel we use the formula which is average before. Here we select first these Monday to Sunday data. So here we select Monday to Sunday data and then we click yes, and then our result is 28.14. That means on average the coffee shop sold around 28 coffees per day. Now let's move on to the median, and we select the data up to B10 cell, from B4 to B10, and our median is 27. So median is the middle number after arranging the data in order. This is the data which sorted in the ascending order. So the middle number here is 27. Excel we use formula is equal to median and the number of the cells we selected from B4 to B10. Now here's something interesting. Imagine one day we become extremely busy. Instead of selling 35 coffees, shop sold 80. Now we change this 35 to 80 and we delete this one. Now our average change, first is 28.14. now our average change from 34 to 57. So watch what happens. The average suddenly increases a lot, but the median barely changes. This shows us something important. The mean is affected by extreme values, but the median is more stable. Now let's talk about the mode. Mode is the number that appears most often. In our data, the 27 appears twice and everything else appears once. So mode is 27. In Excel we use the formula. So they had two options, mode single So mode is 27. In Excel we use the formula is equal to mode dot single, and this is the number of cell we've used to calculate our data. So mode single, simple, right? Now imagine other number also repeat the same number of the times. So here in Excel can even show multiple modes using the formula when we just like that appears before. So this is the mode dot multi, and we just select and then yes, and then we also have the results, same 27. So what is mode? Mode is that number that appears most often. So now let's quickly recap. Mean is the average of all values, median is the middle value, and mode is the most repeated value. These three calculations help us understand data quickly and spot patterns easily. And honestly, this is one of the first things data analysts do whenever they open a new data set. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning with me. See you in next one.